with another video. And today, I'm being really quiet because it is currently 3-something in the morning. And I just need to be, quiet because people in my house are currently asleep. So today I'm going to be doing a slime collection video. So get on with the video. Okay, so I store my slime in this Nike box. Sorry, I was thirsty. So I store my slimes in this Nike box. And one day I had a friend come over. And we were just playing with slimes. And then I forgot to put a cap on the slimes. So that's the first slime I'm going to show. Here it is. It is a mixture of two slimes. Because this is the slime that if I get like really like clear slime on my fingers and it won't come off, I will put my hand in the slime and it will just immediately come off. So here's some dryness. I mean, the bubbles are dry, everything's dry. It's just all dry. So, oh Jesus. So here is the intact part. I'm gonna try to separate from its untagged parts. I actually really liked this green slime. It was just the texture that it had was like felt really good, but now it's just fruit. And I'm trying to get as much slime as I possibly can that is undried. That's a dry piece off. So I think that's all that's coming off. There's all this extra iceberg fail. Yeah. Good thing I'm right by the trash. And I missed. So why am I by the trash here? Because I'm in the kitchen because we got a new table. So here is the intact parts that are actually still together. Oh, I got some tattoos I did earlier. This one is right there. Yeah, but anyways. This slime's really sticky because I added a really sticky clear slime to it. But I really like this texture. It's not very clicky. I gotta find the cap so I can at least have some of this. So, yeah, that was the first one. Frick! I let it on its side and I didn't want to do that. So this is a bubbly slime that I'm going to show at the end because I'm going to try to let it rebubble itself. Because I really wanted to show you guys the bubbles, but I let it on the side. And I didn't really mean to do that. The next one I'm going to show you is this one. There is a lot. Ouch. There's a lot in here because I mixed one slime with another to see if they will make it better, and let me tell you guys, I don't think anything happened. So what I mixed with it was a fluffy slime. I mixed this really hard to get out purple slime. That's why it's this color, so it doesn't want to. I'm going to try to get as much out as I can because it's so sticky. I don't even want to like. Mess around with this slime. But I'm going to try for you guys. See, look. Because I added a fluffy slime to it, and I think it made it better. That's why it's coming out way easier. Because before, it just never would come out. You would never, if I would have never added that fluffy slime, you still wouldn't be able to see the freaking container. It would not be this clear. And I do have, I'm trying to start a slime shop. Please subscribe to me, guys. Just kidding. But if you're new here, please like and subscribe to these videos. My videos, please. Thanks. Love you all. But I'm trying to start a slime shop. So if you see price signs, that's because when I do start a slime shop, I price some of the containers, not the slimes that I'm giving away, just the containers, so I know how much it would be. So like this container would be $2, but it would, and if you, some of these slimes, all of these slime has prices on them, but you were like, oh, you're gonna give that for $2 and it wasn't even all the way filled. Before you start saying all that, it's gonna be all the way filled. Why wouldn't I? But anyways, yeah, I'm trying to start it, but here's this one. It's really sticky. I like to call this cherry lavender. Very sticky cherry lavender. Because there is foam beads, pink and red. Oh my gosh. I cannot pop any bubble. There's pink and red foam beads, and then this is purple. And usually purple is lavender. Like when you see something purple, it's usually lavender scented. I love lavender. That is my favorite scent ever. Like ever. But usually when you see something purple, it's lavender. And there's just red and pink foam beads, so I call it cherry. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry, guys. This slime is just too sticky for my life. And this isn't even mine. I didn't even make this. My friend did, but she never gave it a name. And it was very sticky before, like I said. But I added slime, and she never gave it a name, so I was like, cherry lavender. But, yeah. But you usually see, things when they're purple, they're usually lavender scented. No, this is not scented. And there's just pink and red foam beads. I was like, cherry lavender. I'm like, you guys are probably thinking, what are you talking about? It's like not even a name. Why can't you like come up with something that is nameable? Because why does it matter? Like, I'm not going to be giving this, I'm not selling this one because I don't know how she made this, first of all. And it's, yeah, I don't know how she made this, and I didn't even make this one. So, yeah, but it's very sticky. Okay, I'm going to put this away now. I'm just getting too intact with this. Oh my god, not this again. I hate when this happens. There we go. Okay. That's what I have this slime. Get excess slime off. Now I'm purple free. Now I'm cherry lavender free. Okay, the next one is this one. So containers like these would be 50 cents. But like I said, they would be filled all the way up. Okay, this is cherry limeade. That's the name of it. This is something that, this one isn't up for sale, but this is something that will be on my slime shop. And if you want to buy it, just look up. I will put my slime shop in the links below, and when it opens, oh my god, what am I talking about? I will put, oh my god, these prices in the links below in my email so you can contact me. And if you guys ever want to, like if you live in a different state, and you're like, and then how are you supposed to get out to me? Just send your dad or yours or your mom's, what is it? You know, like when you watch, like YouTubers and they do fan mail, they have a separate address to send it to. If you have one of those, because I don't want your address. If you give it to me, I'm not going to come to your house. Like, I'm not a stalker. But yeah. If you're like wondering how you're supposed to get it to me, I'll mail it to you. Unless you go to my school, I'll just give it to you, or know you. Anything like that, I'll mail it to you. Just give me, like, if you have an extra address, like, just send me your postal address. Like your mail office where you get all your mail and they drop it off and stuff. Yeah, just send me that address and I'll just ship it there. But yeah, these would be 50 cents. And this one is called, this one right here isn't up, but I will make this one again, and like I'll set it up, and you can get it any size. It doesn't have to be this size. Like you could get a jumbo batch. It doesn't matter what size it is. But yeah. But this is cherry limeade. Hey, Jesus. Okay. The next one is this one. I don't have a name for this. It's just, it's moist on the top. I like this one because it is super bubbly. I don't know if you guys could hear those bubbles, but they were there. But this one is like, I love this one so much. This one will be up to, this is called, yes, this one do have a name. Sorry, I forgot, but I had to look on the container. This is called Midnight Glare. It's called Midnight Glare, and I called it that because there is sparkles in here. You can see they're fluorescent sparkles. They're hard to see on camera, but if you do buy this slime, you can really see them in person. I'll even like give you a little extra of them if you want to add more. This is called Midnight Glare. I love this slime so much. It's really clicky. It's not that sticky. You can see the little glitters are coming off. I don't know if you could see that. But if you live in like Texas or something, I will give you a little bottle of activator because it will melt on the way there. Or I'll give you some borax, anything in the activator, because I don't want it to, like, if it melts and then you're like, oh yeah, it's not there. But like I said, you could you could get these in any size. This one will be up on sale. Not this particular slime, but I will make more, and it will be up on sale for 50 cents. 50 cents, you know, any size. And it's called Midnight Glare. I really love this slime. It's so beautiful. And like I said, I will give you extras. Doesn't matter. You can tell me what extras you like, and I could possibly send them. But the two main extras that I gave you with this slime is extra glitter and a tiny little bottle of solution activator or some borax. Definitely with this slime. Those are the extras that are recommended. Okay, the next one is pink bubble gum. Okay, so this slime is really hard. Not this particular slime, but I will make different batches that are pink bubble gum, and they will not be like this, guys. I promise you, it's a butter slime. Well, this was a butter slime. This is just my slime collection, and all of these slimes will be up there. This is called pink bubblegum for one reason. Its texture. Its texture is just like bubblegum. But this slime is bad right here. You could stuff this into a balloon and it'll be a stress ball. It's already like stress relieving. But it will not be like this. It will be a butter slime. And with this slime, the extras that come with this slime, these containers are $3. There's something at the bottom. The extras that come with this slime that are just recommended is extra clay. Whatever clay that I would use in this would come with it. And then again, activator or some borax. Every slime comes with a little tiny bottle of activator or borax. Let me just stop playing with this one, because this one I don't like. I really want to just throw it away. Okay, so the next slime that I absolutely love is my clear slime. Look how clear. This is my clear slime. Like, it is so freaking clear, because I thought I was going to just never see it clear again, because I played with it once and then it was like it went foggy. Just kidding, guys, I'm not finna cry. But I played with it once and then it went foggy and I was like, my whole life is ruined. It's not even gonna go back to clear. I took this piece out because I'm not gonna mix it with, because there's some really hard whiteness in it. Just throw that away. So you can see there are fluorescent glitters. These containers are $5. They will be filled all the way up. And like I said, you could get these containers, any slime. This is called Ocean Blue. It is really pretty. It has fluorescent glitter in it. It's really freaking clicky. It's blue because of the activator I use. I use Tide for this one. But this slime is so freaking clear. Just watch, guys. Just like, it doesn't even look like I'm pulling up anything. I just don't like playing with it. So all the glitter is on this one side. I just don't like playing with it because it goes bubbly and stuff. But when I played with it that first time, I was like, oh my god, it's never going to go back clear. But then it went back. Oh my god. Look at this hard piece. I'm going to mix it in there because this is where all the glitter is. Just put that to the side. Look at all this. And that's what's in the midnight glare, this glitter. But this is a lot of glitter. It's really crunchy now. This is all its glitter. It's so pretty. This glitter is so pretty. I'm almost going to just put in every slime. Okay, we can mix it now. I'm going to put it into a little like that, and then just, the glitter's like sticking to the bottom. This slime's kind of sticky. Guys, look. I love this slime so freaking much. It's like something else. And yes, this was made with clear glue, otherwise it wouldn't be able to. Look how foggy it is now. That's what makes me sad. But I can always make a new batch. This is my favorite slime out of my whole slime collection. Do you like hear those? Look how, oh my god, look how freaking foggy it is now. That's what made me scared the first time. I was like, oh my god, it's never gonna go back clear again. And I was like, if it doesn't, I'll be okay. I can just make some more. But yeah, I will put down in the links below my email, so you can email me. So you can email me like orders and stuff. If you ever want to buy anything. So yeah, definitely. And in the beginning of the video, I really hope I said. But yeah, look how foggy it is now. But yeah, guys, this slime is, it doesn't matter what size you get it in. It will just always be the best. Like, you will love, like, if you buy this slime, guys, you will love it. You will love it, and you would have never regretted adding it to your collection if you have a slime collection. If you don't, that's okay. I mean, but you would love to start to make one by starting off with this bad boy. Okay, the last slime I'm going to show you is a slime that with all the bubbles. This one is also very wet. It's a mixture, actually. That's why it's so bubbly. It is a mixture of limeade, cherry limeade, and the fluffy slime that I made. So I will do the bubbles. If I can get this freaking extra off me. You know what? You're going in there. I will do the bubbles.